Hi everyone, are you a gamer or a content creator who wants to earn money just doing what you love? Well, I got some exciting news for you. Today, I'm going to introduce you to YGG All-Star and YGG Gap, a platform that lets you earn YGG token by completing fun quests, playing games, and creating content. Sounds awesome, right? Let's jump right into it and I show you exactly how to get started. So, what is YGG Gap? Gap or Guild Advancement Program is an exciting way for gamers or content creators to join the YGG All-Star community and starting earning rewards. There are two main types of quests you can participate. First is Game Quests. Play games from YGG partners and complete fun mission to earn reward. Second is Bounty Quests. Join community challenge, create contents, and more to earn even more rewards. And the best part, you can earn YGG token just by completing these quests. In the game quests, we have two types of quests. First is normal quests. These are easy quests that can get you started quickly. They are rewarding and fun, and a great way to earn your first YGG token. Second is premium quests. These are a bit more challenging, but the rewarding are totally worth it. You earn bigger reward and boost your reputation in the community. You can even do both normal and premium quests to double your reward. Let me show you how you get started with YGG All-Star. It's simple. First, head over the YGG website at www.guildguild.io. Link in caption or comment below. Sign up or log in into your account. Once in your login, look for the YGG Page Creator Quest section, where you find a bunch of exciting content creation challenge to start with. Now, here where the community comes in. After signing up, make sure you join the YGG All-Star Discord server. Link in the comment or caption below. This is where the all action happens. Once you are inside, you can submit your content to the Shorting Hat channel to earn your verified role and start interacting with other creators. So that's it. Now you know exactly how to get started with YGG Gap and start earning YGG token by completing quests, playing games, and creating content. It's a fantastic way to turn your passion into real reward. So what are you waiting for? Head over to www.guildguild.io and sign up and start earning today. That's all. Thank you for watching.